everyone, Daisy here again with another layout. This one is for the Oh Baby YouTube and Instagram hop that is going on today, and I am doing two photos of my son who is 17 and a half. So these are some pretty old ones, and I am also using some of my scraps. So Christy and I are doing a new series called Loving Your Scraps, and I am trying to use up some of the ones that I have been hoarding, and yeah, just try to use some of them up. So I chose to use a bunch of blue colors, and I started out with this blue plaid paper that is from Lawn Fawn, and this was actually a full 12 by 12 sheet, and I cut the title out, and then I'm like, oh well, I might as well try to use some of this scrap up now while I'm working on this. So it's a double-sided paper. It's the same blue color, but the plaid on one side is diagonal and on the other side it's straight. So I just really, really love this. And again, it's a paper I've been hoarding for absolutely ever. I don't have the branding strip anymore, so I don't know. I can't tell you exactly how old it is, but it's pretty old. So I just decided to tear a bunch of strips and layer them up that way. And actually most of them, there's a little bit poking out on either side of the strips, but they do get pretty well covered up because I am using two 4x6 photos. Again, in August I am trying to use multiple photos and larger, like 4x6 size photos, just because I find that has been requested in a lot of groups and even on my channel, to use kind of more photos and more larger photos. So that is something I'm focusing on for April or August, whatever month it is. Who knows anymore, right? But yeah, so I have these two photos of my son, and he is probably 2 weeks old, maybe 3 weeks old. And so, you know, just cute baby photos, so why not? He's laying on a blue plaid blanket, so I thought that went very well with it. And I am using, you know, a few papers. One of them is blue with daisies on it. I can't remember. I think that's from Dear Lizzie. And then one of them is from Pretty Little Studio. It's like a soft blue floral, and then I have one that is a starry background paper from a new company, or newer company. It's called, oh, I can't read it, it's so small. Oh yeah, I can't say that. Piatech? P13, I guess is what they're calling it. The paper says it's from 2018, so it's obviously not new, but it's new to me. Yeah. So I'm using part of that Lawn Fawn branding strip down on the bottom to create a little cluster down there. And I have some stickers. I surprisingly don't have a lot, well, not surprisingly, I don't have a lot of baby boy embellishments because I don't like them. I don't like the, you know, traditional baby boy kind of stuff. I don't know why. I just don't. I don't really like the baby girl stuff either, so it's not like a sexist thing. I don't like baby stuff. Like, it's too baby for me. So anyhow, I'm using this one sticker sheet that I found from, I think that's from Bella Boulevard. And that's an older sticker sheet too. I got it as part of a warehouse box. And so down on the bottom, I'm creating a little cluster. I added a sticker that says, "You make me so happy," and then I will, if I haven't already, I'm going to add another one that says "Baby Love," and then I added a blue cupcake because I don't know why not. And then that one photo on the right hand side had a big space underneath it, and it's a photo that I'm sure every parent has, where, you know, as soon as you put the camera on him, like, he made that super cute first picture, and then the second one is him, like, probably pooping or something, and he's just like, his face is all squished up. So on that photo there's a lot of space, and I wanted to cover some of that up, so I wanted to add So Sweet as like a secondary title, but I didn't have enough E's, so it's gonna say So Adorbs, which kind of drives me crazy, but I'll live with it, it's fine. And so I'm using some blue thickers for that, and then some of the little rainbow thickers. And then I also pulled out the Sparkle thicker set, I believe from Chamel and from Sparkle City, I'm pretty sure, and then added some of the holographic stars from that, because I thought that was a great embellishment for this. It's not too like over the top baby. And then I went into my stash and I'm pulling out a bunch of Jelly Bean Soup embellishments because the blue was perfect. So they're random, they have nothing to do with this, but I add a hot air balloon, a few flowers, and a couple of hearts that were all the right color. Oh, and that little asterisk symbol. And then I'm going to pull in a few Spiegel Mom Scrap sequins to kind of finish off my little cluster areas. And that's pretty much it. So I want to thank you so much for stopping by and checking out my layout. There will be links down below for everybody who's participating in the Oh Baby Hop. So definitely check out what they created. Give them a thumbs up or a little bit of love. We all very much appreciate it when you take the time for that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching my video, and I hope you enjoy hopping along with the hop, and I will see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!